If you're having trouble deciding whether to vote for property tax caps, you're not the only one.
Indiana state legislators are split on this issue, too. In tonight's Political Watch 10, Louisa Mueller spoke with a few lawmakers.
She joins us now live in the studio to explain what they had to say. Louisa?
Mark Patrice, some of the legislators I spoke with went back and forth on the issue of property tax caps. They say it's because the issue is so complex and the outcome of what the tax caps could do to Indiana is basically unknown. Dale Grubb is the current Democrat state representative for District 42. He claims the caps limit property taxes to some extent, but they also take away large amounts of money from local government. Grubb says he's unsure whether the cap should become part of Indiana's constitution. Despite that and the cons he listed, Grubb supports property tax caps. On the other side of the issue is Nancy Michael. The Democrat state representative for District 44 is strongly against the caps. She says they won't fairly tax Hoosiers.
I do represent a very rural district, and people hate property taxes. They would much rather pay sales and income taxes. This climate is not right for raising either of those now. That can't be done. But in the district I represent, fall on the side of supporting the property tax caps.
I think it's a huge mistake. I think the proposal that we have on the table is a huge mistake because the 1, 2, and 3 does not fairly and uniformly treat every taxpayer the same.
Dale Grubb and Nancy Michael are both in races to keep their positions as state representatives. Dale Grubb's opponent, Republican Sharon Nagel, is in favor of the tax caps. We tried to get in touch with Republican Jim Baird, Nancy Michael's rival, and were unable to reach him. Back to you.
Thanks, Louisa. As News 10 has reported, property tax caps are an issue that you will vote on this November. Currently, your home taxes are capped at 1%, farm and rental properties at 2%, and businesses at 3%. Your ballot will ask whether you'd like to make property tax caps as part of Indiana's Constitution. That action could take years to reverse.